Have you ever watched someone experience something and felt like you could feel what they were feeling, such as a drop in your stomach from watching a heartbreaking television scene, or a prickling on your arm after seeing the prick of a needle, or a yawn from watching a friend yawn? Although many associate Charles Darwin with the survival of the fittest ideology, he actually believed that sympathy was a large part of human thriving. We have a desire to connect with other people and build a community around each other. This sympathy that is essential for human thriving, as it turns out, also has a neurological and psychological base. Scientists have long wondered why we believe what we feel others feel. More than 2 decades ago, a team of Italian researchers thought they stumbled upon an answer. While observing monkeys' brains, they noticed that certain cells activated when a monkey performed an action and when that monkey watched another monkey perform the same action. This is when mirror neurons were discovered. Since that time, mirror neurons have been hailed as a cornerstone of human empathy, language, and other vital processes. Giacomo Rizzolatti assumes that mirror neurons form the biological basis of compassion and thereby effective empathetic experience. From imaging studies of human brains, it was clear that a region called the anterior cingulate cortex, or the ACC, which is active during the experience of pain, can also become active when observing others in pain. The context of the setting that an individual is viewing another person can also change where there is a signal increase. Implicit, explicit, and the intention can all adjust the way the brain signals. Studies have shown that when observing another's pain, this region is more active with people with high levels of empathy and less active with people with psychopathy. Those earlier investigations did not clarify the underlying mechanisms or cells involved. Now, by studying rats, researchers at the Netherlands Institute for Neuroscience in Amsterdam have identified the ability to feel pain of others has to do with mirror neurons in the ACC. Research of mirror neurons has been gaining more clinical relevance, particularly in the field of autism spectrum disorders, narcissistic and antisocial personality disorders, bipolar disorder, and borderline personality disorders.